legislative power. Give us an understanding about
legislative power, as we know, is the power of a state. When I say state, I'm talking about Nigeria in general. Let's not forget that Nigeria is made up of the government at the center and the various components being the state and the local government. So the legislative powers under the constitution is donated to the National Assembly at the national level and the state House of Assembly at the state level. Then if you go down to the local government, they have councillors and councils. So and for
that means the councillor, they also have that power to make laws.
Yes, for the smooth, peaceful running and good governance of the local government at the local government level.
Just like you said earlier, if they are making any law, it shouldn't deviate from what is in place.
Yes. Even as a legal you're right. Even as a legal practitioner, I've seen reasons. I don't need to be specific. I've seen cases where either a full law or sections of the law passed either by the state House of Assembly or local government is maybe struck out by a court of law. No, the judiciary has the power to interpret the law. And so, back to your question, the National Assembly, as we know, we have the Senate and the House of Representatives. Now, under our constitution, we have what we call a legislative list, the exclusive or the concurrent, for instance, and the residual list. Now, under the exclusive list, there are items that only the National Assembly, talking about the Senate and the House of Rep, have powers to legislate on or attend to. Now, a House of Assembly of a state does not have the power to dabble into matters, into such laws. And those laws that will be made by the Senate are for the peace and good governance of Nigeria.
For the entire country.
While the states, under the concurrent list too, the states and the National Assembly can also come together in different spheres also legislate on matters on the concurrent list. However, if there are conflicts, the laws passed by the National Assembly will have supremacy
over that
of the state, and those passed by the state will not be rendered inconsistent or invalid in your own words.
Does it apply to the local government as well?
It does. It's like a
that means the state also has such powers over the local government.
That's why they have a list. In fact, we may not have time for this discussion, where I would have shown you a couple of things that each strata can legislate upon. For instance, mines and minerals, aviation,